Here are 5 ways you could lower insurance costs.
Okay, so one of the first ways you can reduce your insurance is when you turn 25, your insurance will automatically go down. This is because in the law's eyes, 25 and over people or individuals, they are considered less of a risk on the road. So this is why you can wait till you're 25 when I know it's a very long time, but you can wait and your insurance will go down. Second thing is also when you pass your test, you can do extra lessons, and this is called Pass Plus. When you do your Pass Plus and you complete it, you get a certificate. This also will lower your insurance premium.
Another way is add your parents as a named driver. Add your mom, your dad, your nan, your great nan. Also, you should add your license number as well. A lot of people miss it out, and that's where the price gets expensive. It does ask you to add it. People don't do it because it's time consuming, but you might as well do it. And another way is to change your email. Repeat use of the same email does increase the price.
Any questions? Just comment down below.